Quite possible that an Italian astronomer looked through this telescope at a star-filled sky 400 years ago and in the process saw things no human had seen before.
Observers such as Galileo and others started to observe and report things in the sky which were not in the old texts that had been the authority up to this point in time.
Dating from about 1630, the Italian-made telescope is the oldest outside of Europe. The first telescope had been invented only a few decades earlier, and in a portrait from 1636, created while he was still alive, Galileo himself is seen holding a similar instrument.
This telescope testifies to the very early days of the telescope when the instrument was revolutionizing the way we do science and the way we learn about the universe.
The Adler Planetarium has a vast array of such priceless artifacts that the public seldom, if ever, sees. The thousands of items are stored in a climate-controlled, secure space where Pedro Raposo is the curator and resident authority of the priceless trove. The very oldest item in the Adler collection is a work of art as well as an instrument of science.
This astrolabe was made in Baghdad around 1130-31.
Astrolabes are among the oldest astronomical instruments, first used more than 2,000 years ago. They calculate the position of celestial objects as well as make measurements on Earth. Adler's prized astrolabe is only 900 years old, but few are as elaborate, and only a person of great wealth could have owned this one.
We know from inscriptions on the back that it belonged to a sultan.
Like any museum, the Adler